Hello traders around the world, welcome back to another video. Right, so like I promised, I'm going to explain the concept I shared earlier on, I think this year, back in February. Okay, I'm gonna go into more details as to how you can use it. Okay, so generally you're gonna see the market in a specific direction, yeah, on the daily, on the weekly, on the monthly, but in this regard you're looking at the daily, yeah. So you're looking at the daily swing highs and swing lows, or swing high, swing low, swing high, swing low on the daily time frame. So let's go back to the chart. So this is what I mean. So you have swing low, swing high, swing low, swing high, swing low, swing high, swing low, swing high, swing low. That's what I mean, okay, on the daily time frame. Or if price is going up, we have a low, high, low, high, low, and then high, low, and then high. That's what I mean. Okay, so if you're not familiar with the concept I shared earlier, I said that you're looking for you're looking for a 3-bar pattern. You're looking for a 3-bar pattern, a swing high. So your swing high is something like this. Something like this. Okay, that's your swing high, and you're looking for the opposing swing low. So if we form a swing high here, definitely there should be an opposing swing low somewhere. Okay, so what you're monitoring is, as this swing high is forming, you're looking for a trade. Okay, I've explained it in the earlier video that I did for the Aussie CAD, but I'm going to go into more details. Okay, so on this particular day when we close and you're expecting a swing low to form, you are now watching this particular day to see if we form a swing low. So as soon as market open, you start monitoring this low. Okay, so you can place a line there and you start monitoring that low. That low is very important. Why? Because that's what will confirm this as a swing high once we trade below it. Okay, so what you're looking for is a 1 hour time frame, because this is a daily swing. So you're looking for a 1 hour time frame, one candle, down candle, to close below this. Okay, that's what you're looking for. You don't necessarily have to wait for the daily candle to close. Whilst this is trading, or whilst the day is active, the sections are active, okay, you're looking for a 1 hour down candle to close below this low. Once we do close below that low, you have a trade. So what you have to do is now go and look for the opposing swing low. So let me draw that one as well. So this is my opposing swing low. That's just a crude depiction of a drawing. Right, it's not the best drawing, but it'll do for now. Okay, we're good. Okay, so let's say this is the opposing swing low, okay, and that's the swing high just formed when we traded down below this low. Okay, so what you're gonna do is just look for sorry, is just to pick your Fibonacci retracement tool and then measure the low to the high. Whilst this candle is trading as a daily candle, okay, because we've closed below here, that's what you do. You pull the Fibonacci from the low, from the high to the low, and then you draw a line at the 50%. Okay, once you draw a line at the 50%, you drop down to the 1 hour time frame and you take a trade. When you do take the trade, your stop goes above the daily high, this daily's high, okay, and then you target this level, the high to the low, the 50%. Okay, and the reverse is true for when we have a swing high in place and we form a swing low, then you do the reverse. But for now, I'm doing the swing low formed already, so we're doing a swing high. Okay, so once the swing high is formed, or the down candle on the 1 hour has traded below this and closed, you pull the fib from the high to the low, mark 50%, and then you look for a trade to come to the 50%. This happens almost all the time. Okay, as easy as it sounds, it happens almost all the time. So if you're looking for a trade, there you have it. I mean, if you're looking for a trading plan, there you have it, or a trade setup, there you have it. Okay, it's very easy, but yet very powerful. Okay, let me show you when I used it. I used it on the euro. Where's my euro? I'll come back to the pound in a minute, but let's go to euro. Okay. Right here. Okay, right here. So we have 1, 2, and then I'll show you on the lower time frame that we traded above this high. So we traded above this high. Okay, on the lower time frame we traded above that high. So what I did was I pulled my Fibonacci and I measured from this high to that low right there. Okay, and I drew a line in the middle right here like that. Okay, and then now let's drop that to the 1 hour time frame, and then you will see the magic right there. Okay, right there, that's when we traded above this day right there. So from here you have a trade to there. How many pips is that? Over 123 pips. Okay, next day we did retrace back down to that same level, and then we hit it perfectly. Okay, let's go back to the pound. So on the pound, again, if you don't have a trade plan, you can use this. It's very simple yet very powerful. So let me show you another example, but this time a bearish example, because the euro example was a bullish example. So we have a 1, 2, 3. We're looking at this candle. Okay, let's drop down to the 1 hour. Okay, finally I managed to do it. There we go. Right, so right in here, this candle gives you the signal traded below the low. This is the daily swing high, the candle in the middle. This candle trades below it, okay, and closes right there. You have a trade from here, and now let's go back and measure. Right, okay. Alright, let's measure from this low to that high and draw a line on the 50% right there, and then let's draw back down to the 1 hour. Okay, zoom in. Okay, so on this day we close below, and then on this candle you just go short here, target there, 70 pips, you're done. Yeah, it's that easy, and it repeats all the time. So it's very simple approach, but if you're able to just follow these steps, okay, you'll be amazed how consistent it is. All right, so I'll leave it here, and then I'll let you go and do more back testing on it. Do more back testing on it and see what you find, because sometimes it does go beyond the 50%, and then you can frame your own ideas around this. Okay, frame your own ideas around this, because it's very, very powerful. Okay, if you do have any question, just leave it in the comment section, and I will try my best to answer it, either by replying to the comment or by making a separate video to kind of answer the question. Okay, the next step is how to apply indicators to it. So if you're an indicator trader, how do you trade this? So then you apply certain indicators that will give you a signal at this particular time. Okay, so you can apply any indicator, and then if it gives you a signal as price closes below here, then you have no problem. Okay, so I'll leave it here, and then I'll amplify it, because this is the second one. I'm gonna do more to give you clues as to when to anticipate, or where to anticipate the swing highs to form. Okay, for now you don't know, so once you see like a swing high forming, then you can go and apply these things. But in the next video that I'll do, maybe next month, I'll give you a clue as to when to anticipate this high and the low forming, so that you will be in the chart on this particular day looking for the setup. Okay, all right, so until then, I'll talk to you guys later. Stay blessed.